Hey, welcome to Revenge of the Show. First time visitor, first time all that stuff, last time, who knows. Like and subscribe this episode. It's Model Monday. It's a little late, better late than never, huh? But this is the Resistance X-Wing Fighter from Bandai, 1/72nd scale. So let's open this up and take a look at this kit. So, what's in the box?
What's in the box?
Alrighty, there's the box. It was $40 wherever I bought it from. The parts. We got. First, we'll take a little look at them. Long fold-out sheet. This is more in line with the Ralph McQuarrie artwork, especially the engines. I think you get it. We'll open this baby up. I still haven't changed this X-Acto blade. Now these are stickers. If you want to put the stickers on. I would not recommend doing stickers. They're pretty thick, but if you know, you can. It makes it easier. And here is one of the parts tree. Really, really nice definition. I mean, it's a Bandai kit. I mean, they're pretty darn exceptional. Guns. No sanding required around there. No seam line. I don't feel a seam line at all. Here's the base. Base and a canopy. And they make it all in silver. So as to, because they don't want you to really, you know, you don't have to paint this up. Oh boy, again, you know, really nicely done. Base, desert. And this is the last. And here is the body of this thing. Oh, that is really, really, really nice. Assuming that's the tub. Engines are nicely done. There's the blue stuff. You know, like I said, you don't have to paint it. Look at the pilots. They're really small, but they're really, really well done. And there's the BB-88 I guess. Yeah. There's the pilot's tub. I don't see anything for like fancy inside it, like instrument panel. Although that looks like it could be like part of the instrument panel. But anyway, really, really nicely well done. And here's the decals, and they look great. Some instrument stuff here, as usual. What would I give this out of 11? Why?
We need that extra push over the cliff. You know what we do?
Put it up to a
11, exactly.
Because Spinal Tap says it. I got to give it a 10.5. It's like, maybe 11. See how it goes together, and I would know better. But I'm sure it goes together great. Yeah, it doesn't get much better than that. It's small. It's all that stuff. So it's a 10.5, if not 11. I'm close to giving this 11. Because it looks fantastic, and that's all you could ask for.